Hello, Katie here from Katie's World. Welcome to my channel. I'm going to be doing another paper piecing from my Sweet Treats page kit number 7. And this video will be working on the candy apple. So let's get started. So here's our base piece. We're going to lay this right down. It has a very thin black border around the edges. So I'm going to take my glue. Again, I'm using Designer Dries Clear made by Art Glitter. And I do sell this in my shop as well. The nice thing about this glue is that it dries fast, but also gives you a little bit of wiggle room time to get it in place. But it's down, it's dry. Okay, this is going to go right on top of the light brown piece. The nice thing about the pieces that have texture cardstock is that you know right away if they're right side up or not. But some of the pieces are smooth on both sides, and then you'll want to lay those out before you add glue on just to make sure you have them right side up. Always check first. Okay. So the white's going to go on next. You might notice the light brown is kind of showing behind a little bit. It looks like the dark brown is a tad bit smaller, but the white is going to cover that. So it's okay. Okay, then our red piece is going to go on top of the white. This is a great kit for beginner levels who haven't done too much paper piecing before. It kind of gets you started for the feel of it. There are kits that get kind of intense with their pieces. And just takes a lot more time and patience working with them. But this particular one, definitely a beginner level. Really cute and get it done in no time. Okay, now the red one, the bow. I want to make sure that black border is still showing around the top of it. Okay, and then a little dot. If you want, you can even add a little dimensional on the back, like a foam square or foam circle, make it pop up. I'm just going to glue it down. Always think about how you can enhance these too. If you have a glitter pen, you can add glitter, you can add detail. Okay, and that's it. That easy. So I'm going to give you a closer look here. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you'd like to see more videos from me, please click the subscribe button and click that bell for notifications. And I appreciate a thumbs up if you like this video. Click on the like button. And thank you so much for watching and have a great day.